In this video we have analyzed 5 best coffee grinder for French press. Number 5. Handground Precision Coffee Grinder. Best features of this coffee grinder for French press. 8 grind settings designed specifically for French press. Hand-ground brew magnet. Delivers a consistent grind. Very easy to use. Simple cleaning and maintenance. 100-gram coffee bean hopper. Number 4. Gourmia 633 Electric Burr Coffee Grinder. Best features of this coffee grinder for French press. Dual safety lock for extended machine life. The power indicator light for extra safety. UL certified. Sleek, elegant design. Large capacity container and ground bin. Insanely affordable. Requires minimal cleaning and maintenance. Exceptionally portable. Number 3. Baratza Encore Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Best features of this coffee grinder for French press. Front-mounted soft touch pulse button for on-demand grinding. 40mm conical burrs for a wide range of grinding. The built-in burr calibration system. Unique speed control of up to 450 RPM. Its simplistic design is its main selling point. It comes with over 40 settings. Quiet operation. Easy to clean and maintain. Number 2. Bodum Bistro Burr Grinder. Best features of this coffee grinder for French press. Silicone band offers a firm grip preventing the grinder from slipping. Conical burr offers a consistent grind with no sharpening required. Friction clutch protects the grinding gear from damage. Comes in a sleek design. 100% aluminum construction for enhanced durability. Large container capacity. Available in 4 different colors. Number 1. Breville Pro Coffee Bean Grinder. Best features of this coffee grinder for French press. Digital display for added precision. 18 ounces bean capacity. Conical burr cleaning brush. 2 different size portafilters. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. Exceptionally durable. The removable bottom tray makes it very easy to clean. Large bean capacity for convenience.